What do a private island in Tahiti, a game reserve in Kenya, and an elegant country estate in the mountains of Vermont have in common? They are all home to luxurious, all-inclusive resorts. Whether these resorts lie in the Caribbean or Kenya, they all offer personal service, pampering touches, and all-inclusive rates so you can leave your worries and your wallet at home. Find the perfect high-end hideaway with our list of the best luxury all-inclusive resorts in the world. 10. The Ranch at Rock Creek, USA. The rustic Luxe Ranch at Rock Creek is the most exclusive dude ranch in the USA. Located in Phillipsburg, Montana, about a 1.5-hour drive from Missoula, this 5-star property is famous for its impeccable service, gourmet food, and a truly all-inclusive experience. Everything, with the exception of spa treatments, is included in the daily rate, and this means guests can book as many activities as they like each day. Activities on this working cattle ranch are not group affairs. Instead, you'll be paired with the people you are traveling with. Horseback riding, target shooting, fly fishing, and archery are just a few of the 45 adventures offered daily. 9. Jade Mountain Resort, St. Lucia. St. Lucia is known for its dramatically beautiful scenery, and Jade Mountain Resort capitalizes on it with spectacular views of the ocean and St. Lucia's twin volcanic peaks, the Pitons. This is one of the best all-inclusive adults-only resorts in the Caribbean. Clinging to a cliffside, the resort encompasses a series of open-sided rooms and common areas that embrace these breathtaking vistas, so you always feel like a part of your surroundings. Despite their sweeping views, the suites offer total privacy, making this a favorite hideaway for honeymooners. 8. Excellent Playa Mujeres, Mexico. The Mexican Caribbean is home to some of the top luxury all-inclusive resorts in North America. One option is Excellent Playa Mujeres in a gated community about half an hour north of the Cancun airport. Set on a gorgeous stretch of sugary white sand, meets turquoise sea beach with views of Isla Mujeres in the background. It is a 5-star, adults-only all-suite resort. Suites come in a variety of configurations, but booking the Excellence Club designated rooms add extra benefits to your all-inclusive experience. These include private check-in and check-out, a private lounge and a beach area, and restaurant only open to club guests. Even if you opt out of this level, the regular service is excellent, and there are nearly a dozen restaurant options with mostly a la carte menus. Food choices range from Mexican to Italian, Indian, and Spanish. 7. Grand Palladium Ibiza Resort and Spa, Spain. In the heart of Ibiza's Playa d'Embosa, Grand Palladium Ibiza Resort and Spa is a 5-star all-inclusive property. The hotel faces the longest stretch of white sand beach on the island and is surrounded by well-maintained flowering gardens. It caters to couples and families alike, and there is an on-site kids club if you have little ones. There are 4 classes of rooms and suites. All are elegant with a contemporary vibe and some fun bright color splashes. Even the least expensive double rooms come with whirlpool bathtubs. The deluxe jacuzzi rooms are what to book if you enjoy your bubbles in a tub. These come with private furnished terraces featuring artificial grass and hydro massage tubs for 2. 6. Four Seasons Tented Camp Golden Triangle, Thailand. If your idea of paradise is an Asian wilderness adventure, Four Seasons Tented Camp Golden Triangle is an excellent choice. As Four Seasons' first all-inclusive property, this camp bordering Burma and Laos caters to adventure seekers and nature lovers. If you think tents can't be luxurious, think again. Peeking out from hillsides wrapped in lush jungles, these palatial safari-style tents evoke an elegant 19th century feel with authentic Thai touches. Handcrafted furniture, clawfoot tubs, and sumptuous netted beds are typical features, and the outdoor showers and rustic textures, such as bamboo and local hardwoods, complement the stunning natural surroundings. 5. Jumpy Bay Island, an Etker Collection Hotel, Antigua. On a palm-studded private island in Antigua, rimmed by dazzling beaches, Jumpy Bay is tropical elegance at its best. One of the top luxury all-inclusive resorts in the Caribbean, Jumpy Bay offers all the expected luxuries and modern conveniences of a 5-star resort, but in a peaceful pocket of paradise. The entire island is car-free, but you can explore it on a bike and soak up the relaxed pace of life. Jumpy Bay is known for its doting staff who provide impeccable service with a warm smile. Warm class cuisine infused with tropical flavors star at its fine dining restaurants, but you can also dine by the pool and beach. 4. Ozin Life Madu, Maldives. Synonymous with exclusive luxury and paradise, the islands comprising the Maldives are scattered across thousands of miles of Indian Ocean lagoons just south of India. Ozin Life Madu sits on one of these picture-perfect islands surrounded by a clear turquoise and seafoam green sea, and filled with lush vegetation on land. This all-inclusive 5-star resort caters to couples and families alike. Book one of the mesmerizing overwater villas if this is a romantic getaway. These come with private pools and direct access to the sea from a ladder on your porch. Families will like the 2-bedroom Earth Family pool suites. Both come with shared butler service. 3. The Brando Tahiti. If you're dreaming of a Tahitian tropical paradise with an eco-sensitive, low-impact approach, the Brando is for you. Set on a pristine private island embracing a 3-mile lagoon, this carbon-neutral resort is the ultimate in laid-back luxury. The resort was established by screen legend Marlon Brando to preserve the island's beauty and biodiversity, and serve as a model of sustainability. Solar power, seawater, air conditioning systems, and other renewable energy technologies power the entire island. Not surprisingly, nature lovers will be in heaven here. Flourishing coral reefs shimmer in the lagoon, birds flock to the shores, whales swim by on their annual migrations, and sea turtles nest on the bone-white beaches. 2. Nihi, Sumba, Indonesia. Eco-conscious and extraordinarily beautiful, the former surfing retreat of Nihi, Sumba scores top billing on lists of the world's best beach resorts. It presides over a wild and pristine palm-fringed slice of coast on the remote island of Sumba in Indonesia, about an hour flight from Bali. It's a fitting location considering the resort's philosophy is the edge of wildness. The resort nestles within a nature reserve, and more than 2.5 kilometers of white sand beach beckons the cliffs below. With fantastic surfing, fishing, and snorkeling, you won't find TVs here. Just cool ocean breezes, island adventures, warm and friendly staff, and glorious sea views. 1. Conrad Maldives, Rongoli Island, the Maldives. Take your luxury, all-inclusive resort experience to a whole new level when you book the Maraca Suite at Conrad Maldives, Rongoli Island. It's one of the most unique places you can sleep on the planet and perfect for a romantic honeymoon. The resort just finished an extensive, multi-million-dollar renovation that led to a reopening in February 2022. The primary bedroom is submerged some 16 feet below the Indian Ocean, and you sleep in what feels like your own personal aquarium. Thanks to a 180-degree acrylic dome ceiling accessed via a spiral staircase or elevator, lie in bed and watch sharks, rays, and an assortment of tropical fish float by. That was all from us, folks. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more similar content. See you in the next one.